this is how not to be scared of a bird. Like you can see, I've got a bird on my head, and also you would need some sunflower seeds. If my assistant will come up, and here she is, and she will get me some sunflower seeds.
Gladly once again. How many do you want? Like
3.
4. 4. 1, 2.
Yeah, you should get at least 3, 4 out of it.
I got you 5.
Thank you.
Do you need any more
And
assistance?
like you can see, my assistant will come up and come and feed her again. There she is, Leonie again. And she will feed my little bird. This, her name is called Kiwi. Oh, she's okay. She's okay there. And then she will rest another one, and then she will feed her again. Just 2 at a time, I think, because she gets a mess on your head. Or she can also stay on your arm if you'd like to pop her onto your arm and then pop her onto me. You will need at least 2 people to do this video like us, if you want. And then, come on, Kiwi. Pretty girl. Then, as you can see, here she is. And that is how not to be scared of a bird, and say thank you to our bird, Kiwi. Thank you for watching. Bye.